Why is this challenge really important for the city of Ljubljana? Ljubljana ranks very high on the flood risk areas in Slovenia.
We developed a very user-friendly and clearly visualizing real-time notification system.
Flood Alert is a simple and straightforward solution for prompt and automatic alerting of the citizens and about emerging danger.
We offer individualized flood assistance via location-based SMS to notify people in risk of flood, and then assistance in finding a safe route or what to do at home.
It gathers all of the data on one platform and enables a mobile push notification system for the end user's safety.
Flood alert, flood call, F2, F3. Yay!